Assalamu alaikum. So warm welcome to my YouTube channel Ramzan Tech. So in today's video I will talk more about how you can make money online. So we will have to go to Chrome. There we will search a website about an article where you can make money online by uploading your article, your unique articles to make money online by up to 1,000 views. We will have to search for a website name paid for article. There we go. You just have to scroll down and the second website paid for article will be available for you. You have to click on that and simply you will go to the website. Then you will scroll down. You can see there are many articles are uploaded with their pictures, and as you can see you also can do this for yourself. You can upload your unique article to make money online. And if you don't have an account on this website, you just have to register it. If you already had account on this website, you can log in here. First of all, we will have to check on login button. The paid for article website is opened, and there you will put your email and password and log in here. If you already had account on this website, name paid for article. And the second option is, if you don't have an account on this website, you just have to register with your name, username, email, password and confirm password. Then you have to just register it and your ID will be created, and then you can upload your article with no plagiarism and grammatically correct, and your article will be up to 500 words. Then you can upload on this website. You don't need to create a website. You can just make and create and write article and upload on this website. As you can see, there are many articles are uploaded. Like this article is about online earning and affiliate marketing. What do you know affiliate roles? Can you become a high rolling affiliate marketer? Affiliate marketing is a huge field in the online sector. If you want to make huge money, you have to become an affiliate marketer. You will be earning fastly. There are complete article available for you. As you can see, you can write as they write. You can just derive an idea from these article and you can do like that. So I think this video is done. We will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.